was really serious in the 10th standard. I knew that I had to get such good marks and work hard to get admission in good college. And so I used to study day and night daily. I put in a lot of efforts. Also direction classes also helped me a lot to score such good marks in maths. Maths was my weak subject till the 9th standard. But after joining direction classes, it really helped me a lot. The regular test series and all the faculty and all was very good. So they had a good plan. Actually, in the beginning of the 10th standard, they almost completed the portion in 3 to 4 months. So after that, we got a lot of time for self-study and to revise and also to solve many test papers. See, 10th standard is really important. It is a really important phase of your life. So if you work hard, surely you will be happy. I see in ICSE, how much ever you work hard, the more you will.
As his parents, we are very proud. We are right now on cloud 9. When we came to know that he's got 92.5% overall and 93 in maths, it is a very big achievement. Because till 9th standard he was really struggling with maths, but I think sir in direction class, he was able to point out his mistakes properly, where exactly he had to work. So all that helped us a lot, and today he's come out with flying colors. He's got 93%. We are very happy and proud of him. See, first of all, we have to keep a good atmosphere at home, peaceful atmosphere at home. We have to keep encouraging our children to study well. They are working hard, they are studying day and night. So whatever possible motivation you can give them good healthy food at regular intervals and keep motivating your children to study well, and I'm sure everybody can do well. Like
ICSE Maths 10th standard is really easy. Like sir made it really easy for me, Subodh sir. So the test series, they really helped me a lot. Like almost 50% of the paper was almost like similar to what came the board exam paper. So they used to conduct about 10 tests in 1 week. Like we used to come almost daily for the tests. So this gave me continuous practice also, as well as a practice at my home also. And also I could go at any time to DC and just clarify my doubts. So they were very supportive and encouraging, the teachers.